Welcome back to Customer States. These are the worst mechanical nightmares, so let's begin. This customer brought their vehicle in for an oil change. They last changed the oil 3 years ago and roughly 50,000 miles. This customer brought their vehicle in for a quick safety inspection, and between the rust and literally no headlights, I'd say the no seatbelt is the most concerning.
Custom.
Oh, pretty sure this isn't normal. But hey, at least you can buckle up your seatbelt for safety.
Anchored in between the door and the shut.
But at least the brakes aren't almost metal to metal and leaking, thank God. And at least you can see where you're going. Oh wait, there's no headlight.
This customer brought their vehicle in which was rusted out. Who needs body mounts anyway? This customer brought their vehicle in, stating that there was a small noise when going over speed bumps and wanted the lug nuts tightened. This customer brought their vehicle in, stating that they drove over a pothole and wanted it fixed quick and cheap.
Got a little bit of issues going on there.
This mechanic was working on a Volkswagen and had to make shift a ratchet up that would allow him to reach into a tight area.
Alright, working on this Volkswagen, doing brakes. And this bit is too big to fit in there with the ratchet. So, I took my Pittsburgh one and I cut it. And now it fits into an 8mm head socket. And then it fits perfectly in there. I feel like a genius. I know they make proper tools for this, but I didn't have it and had to make it work with what I got.
Check out these cool headlights on this new Citroen. They start at $3,000, so you'd hate to have to replace them. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Customer States to see more.